Hi, thank you so much for stopping by my YouTube channel, The Divorce Lawyer Life. I'm Liz, and I wanted to do a video to let you know a little bit about The Divorce Lawyer Life and myself and why I think you should subscribe to my channel and how I think I can help you. So first, who am I? So I am a practicing divorce lawyer. I have been a private divorce lawyer for about 13 years. And this is exclusively what I practice. 100% of what I do is family law. So I've helped hundreds, maybe even thousands at this point, of people going through either child support, child custody, divorces. Also have done some prenups along the way. So I am in a unique position to give you advice and impart my expertise on you about what I think you should do while you're going through a family law matter or in the divorce process. So first, what is the Divorce Lawyer Life? So it's a blog that I started in April of 2019. I generally post one article a week about various family law topics. My goal with the blog is to give you free, practical advice about what I think you should do during the divorce process or in your family law matter. Well, I am licensed in the state of Pennsylvania. I do not give state-specific advice, as I know that many of my readers live all over the country and some of them live in other countries. But I try to give advice that's general, practical, things that you can do with a lawyer, without a lawyer, in the court system, outside the court system. Because what I have found in my years of practice is that the number one fear that my clients have is fear of the unknown. It's not necessarily even fear of the result, it's fear of what is going to happen to them and not knowing what's going to happen to them. So I have found that information is the best way to combat that fear. And so I hope by providing resources either through my blog, through this channel, through my Instagram and Pinterest, that I can help dispel some of that fear for you and everyone that reads and listens to what I have to say. So again, who is the Divorce Lawyer Life for? So it's for anyone, men, women, going through the divorce process, going through a child custody or a child support issue. You can be working with an attorney, not working with an attorney. You can be just starting out, newly separated from your partner, or you could be towards the end of your process. I have articles and information for everybody along the way. I always say my goal is to help you expertly navigate the divorce process to your best post-divorce life. So wherever you are in that process, I have information that I think that can help you. So what kind of information can I expect? Again, it's going to be practical advice, free advice, not state specific, things that you can do with or without an attorney. If I think that there's an area where I think that an attorney will be really helpful, I will say that. If there's an area where I think you need to do some specific research about what is happening in the state or the county where you live, I will say that. But in general, I provide strategic information for people in navigating the court system and going through the divorce process, also through mediation or through an out-of-court settlement. So again, why should you listen to me? I've only been doing this for 13 years and I'm giving you free advice. What lawyer says that, right? So I have listened to many people tell me their divorce stories, and while every case is truly unique and there's always a wrinkle in every case and in every client I represent, there are themes that I see all of the time. And so those are the themes that I write about in these articles. Those are the themes I talk about in these videos. Those are the themes that I post about on my Instagram. Because when someone is asking me a question and I hear that question over and over, I start to think to myself, some other people might have that question too, and they don't have someone to ask it to like myself. So I am providing that information to you free of charge, because maybe it will be of service to you at some point in your divorce. And so I always tell clients the number one thing you should ask your lawyer is, what should I do next? And so what you should do next is subscribe to this channel and also head on over to the Divorce Lawyer Life and subscribe to get my newsletter. You will also get either a checklist for people that are just separated, Or if you're towards the end of the divorce process, you can select the checklist for what to do to navigate to your best post-divorce life. And by subscribing to my newsletter, you will get weekly updates as to what's on the Divorce Lawyer Life, some unique information that's just for my newsletter subscribers. You'll also be notified of any classes, any other freebies, any templates, any other things that are happening on the Divorce Lawyer Life that I think can be of service to you. So make sure you head on over to the site, subscribe, stay here. My goal is to have a video once a week, and I will try to tackle the topics that I think are going to be most beneficial to you. If there is something that you specifically want to hear about, please feel free to send me an email, leave a comment, and I will do my best to answer those questions and to make a video about what you want to know. So thanks again for listening, and I really hope you stay tuned and I can be of service to you.